Welcome students. Today we are going to see some examples on closure of set. In last lecture we saw some theorems on closure of a set. So student, today we are going to solve some examples. Now first example is this. Example, in a metric space x comma d, prove that now closure of this open sphere SRX is contained in closed sphere SRX. Now we want to prove this. Now to prove that we are going to use now definition of closure of a set. So for proving this, we consider that y be member of this set. So we write here, let y belongs to closure of open sphere SRX. Now we know that closure of open sphere SRX is nothing but SRX union set of limit points of open sphere SRX. Now if y belongs to now this open sphere SRX, then y belongs to now this closed sphere SRX, because we know that this open sphere SRX is properly contained in the closed sphere SRX. Now if y does not belongs to this open sphere SRX, then this implies that y belongs to now this set, which is the set of limit points of open sphere SRX. That is, y is a limit point of open sphere SRX. By using definition of limit point here, limit point of SRX. Okay. Now by using definition of limit point, we write here for every epsilon greater than 0. Now we have this, that is, we write here this set. Now this set is now an open sphere whose center is y and that center is deleted. Now intersection of this open sphere with open sphere SRX is non-empty. That is, this intersection is always non-empty here. Okay. So we write here, let Z belongs to now this set, which is the intersection of open sphere S epsilon y, whose center, that is y, is deleted here, with open sphere SRX. Now it means that now Z is member of now these two sets. So this implies that now Z belongs to this set, which is the open sphere whose center, that is y, is deleted here, and Z belongs to now this open sphere SRX. So this implies that now distance between y and z is less than epsilon, and distance between x and z is strictly less than r. Now we know that x, y, z, now these are the points of this set. So by using triangle inequality, so by using triangle inequality, yes, so we write here distance between x and y, this is less equal distance between x and z plus distance between, now here we can write y and z or z and y. Now remember that by using symmetry property, we can write here distance between y and z is equal to distance between z and y. Now we know that distance between x and z, now this distance is strictly less than r, and distance between y and z, now this is strictly less than epsilon. So therefore we write here distance between x and y is less than now r plus epsilon. But epsilon is very small, okay, that is epsilon is arbitrarily small here. So therefore we write here distance between x and y, this is less equal r for arbitrarily small epsilon here. Now since we have here distance between x and y is less than or equal to r, so this implies that now y belongs to now this closed sphere SRX. But here now y belongs to now this set, which is the set of limit points of open sphere SRX. Now y is arbitrary point here, so y is arbitrary point here, is arbitrary. So this implies that now it is true for all y belongs to now this set, which is the set of limit points of open sphere SRX. So this implies that here we have this set is contained in the closed sphere now SRX. Okay, so therefore, okay, we write here open sphere SRX union now this set, which is set of limit points of open sphere SRX. Now this is contained in closed sphere SRX. Now we know that now this set is nothing but the closure of open sphere SRX. So therefore we write here closure of open sphere SRX. Now this is contained in the closed sphere now SRX. Now second example is that in that we are going to show that now closure of complement of a set is now complement of interior of that set. So example is this: let ordered pair x comma d be a matrix space and A be subset of x. Then show that now closure of complement of A is equal to now complement of interior of A, that is complement of set of points of interior points of A here. Now solution here. Now we want to show that now closure of complement of A is equal to now complement of interior of A. For that we are going to show that in first part now this set is contained in this set, that is closure of complement of A is contained in now complement of interior of A, and in second part we are going to show that now this set, that is complement of interior of A, is contained in now this set, that is closure of complement of A. So to prove this, now we consider here let y belongs to now closure of complement of A. Okay, now we know that now closure of complement of A is now complement of A union set of limit points of complement of A. So we write this by using definition of closure of a set. Okay, so in this case we write here let y belongs to now complement of A. Okay, then this implies that okay y does not belong to A. Okay, y does not belongs to A. So this implies that y does not belong to this set, that is interior of A, because we know that now this set of interior points of A, now this is always contained in A. Now since y is not member of set A, so therefore y is also not member of now this set. Okay, so this implies that here y belongs to now complement of interior of A. So y is member of this set. Okay, say this as now 1. Now if y does not belong to this set, that is complement of A, then y is a limit point. Y is a limit point of complement of A, that is y belongs to now this set of limit points of complement of A. Then for every r greater than 0, yes, we have now intersection of this open sphere whose center is deleted with complement of A is non-empty, that is this intersection is always non-empty. So this implies that here now this open sphere, okay, is not contained in set A. This open sphere S R Y whose center is on Y, now this is not contained in A. So this implies that here A, now here Y is not an interior point of A. So this implies that here y does not belongs to this set, that is y is not interior point of A, so we write y does not belongs to A interior. So this implies that here y belongs to now complement of interior of A. So complement of interior of A. So therefore, yes, we write here now y belongs to now closure of complement of A. Now this implies that here y belongs to here complement of interior of A. So therefore we write here now this set, that is closure of complement of A, this is contained in now, yes, interior of complement of interior of A. So this has now 2. Okay. Now to prove now complement of interior of A is contained in now closure of complement of A. Yes, we take this. So now assume that now X belongs to now complement of interior of A. So this implies that Y does not belongs to A interior. Okay, that is Y is not interior point of A. That is Y is not an interior point of A. So this implies that here for every r greater than 0, yes, we have this open sphere whose center is at point Y. Now this open sphere is not contained in set A. Now this is not contained in set A. So this implies that here we have this open sphere S R Y. Now this is contained in now complement of A. So this implies that here now we have here this open sphere SRY whose center is deleted here. Okay, now this intersection with now complement of A is not equal to phi here, or you can write open sphere SRY intersection with now complement of A is not equal to phi. Okay, so this implies that here, or you can write open sphere SRY. Now intersection of this open sphere with complement of A is not equal to phi. So this implies that we write here Y belongs to now closure of complement of A. So therefore we get here Y belongs to now complement of interior of A. This implies that Y belongs to now closure of this set, that is complement of A here, that is closure of complement of A. So therefore we write here now this set now is containing complement of interior of A is containing now closure of complement of A. So from 2 and 3, so from 2 and 3, here we write here now complement of interior of A is equal to, we have now closure of complement of A. Okay, so thank you here.